Hello everyone, so we are from Group 7 and we'll be presenting our project-based learning about penyimpanan file berbasis private storage. This project was led by our project manager, Mr. Hamdani Arif, SPD, MSc. And then role and contribution member, Jayang Ariasti, responsible for MySQL database management for user, file storage and management system. Zahratul Hasana, responsible for login and registration authentication database management, deployment configuration on Linux server environments. Nadia Hidayatullah, responsible for implementing cryptography, encryption, and decryption techniques of web private storage. About private storage is website designed for safe and private file storage for user. On this website, users create their own encryption keys, which are used in the encryption and decryption process. The data security process uses the AES, Advanced Encryption Standard Symmetric Encryption Algorithm. Files that have been encrypted will be stored safely on the server, while the original files have a ENC extension to prevent unauthorized access. Problems identified. Current digital storage systems still have security gaps, so the privacy of sensitive file is very vulnerable to access by unauthorized parties. 1. Lock-up user-managed encryption keys. User cannot create their own encryption keys, so privacy depends entirely on the provider. 2. Residual data risk on local storage. The original file often remains the desktop, making it vulnerable to direct access by other people via that device. 3. Weak data protection standards. Many systems lack strong encryption standards, making sensitive files easily readable if unauthorized access occurs. Next, solutions. Private storage provides this comprehensive security solution by giving users full control and to create their own encryption keys using the AES, Advanced Encryption Standard Algorithm. This system automatically converts files to the ENC extension and ensure they are not physically accessible on the local device. Next, how the private storage works.
Okay, so now the tools we use in this project is Visual Code for write and execute program code. And then we use programming language for backend logic is Python. And next we have MySQL for manage and store data in database. And then the main function of Linux here is as a host server. And next we have Flex for framework for backend development. Next. Now is the front end, our user interface. We're using HTML as the framework and CSS as the visual aesthetic, and then JavaScript to make the website more interactive for the user. Next. And in this project, we use Python as setup and configuration, set up the application environment, and ensure that storage folder exists. We use Flex app, secret key, upload folder, and backup object. And then for user management, to control access with secure authentication, like register, login, and logout, and upload and download file for storing and accessing personal file with file name validation for security. Then we have file encryption and decryption. In this encryption, we use symmetric encryption or AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, to protect digital data by converting the original data, plain text, into unreadable code or ciphertext using the same encryption key for the encryption and decryption process. And for the cryptography library, we use Fernet, has salt base64 and password-based key derivation function. The next is delete file or image, to cleaning data by deleting database record and physical file when user press the delete button on the website. And last is additional function. We use sorting with the approach as a decorator and using generate key from pin and using JetDB connection to connecting to a MySQL database. Next. And Flex is a Python web framework, and we use render template for display HTML page, and request is used to handle form input, and redirect and URL4 are used for page navigation, and then session is used to store session data, and then flash is used for notification message, and last is send from directory is used to download the file.
Backend, the main function of Linux here is a host server. Linux manage or application and open communication channel group, so that user from anywhere via the internet can access the website. Next, MySQL as a database management system to storage, organization, and retrieve data in application. Next, website feature. First, we have the register and login, ensure secure and verified access for personal data management. File management, Next, secure file selection interface for sensitive data management, and encryption, description, safeguarding data access, stroke, encryption, and description feature utilizing symmetric cryptography. So we here use generate encryption and description key based on the ICE algorithm. So that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention.